So what I want to do with this filmed footage is have it look like it's being filmed by a handheld camera. The image is not moving, except for what's on the screen. I downloaded this royalty-free clip from Pexels.com. Now, in order to make this look like it's moving, we unfortunately have to have another piece of video footage that looks like it was handheld video footage. So I went into my living room and I just shot some footage. I'm going to use this handheld footage to implement into this footage to make it look like it's moving around. So the first thing we want to do is we want to nest this clip. Right click on it and click on Nest. And then you could write as a name, warped footage, and click OK. Next thing, let's select that nested footage again and go to the effects panel. If you don't have it open, go to Window, Effects. Look up Warp Stabilizer. Now when I double click this, while this footage is selected, we're going to see it pop up over here in the effects control, and Premiere Pro will start doing its thing. Let's do it. I'm going to double click now on Warp Stabilizer. It popped up over here and Premiere Pro is doing its thing. All right, it's all finished. Let's do the next step. Double click on Warped Footage Nested Sequence and it will open up in a new timeline called Warped Footage. So we don't want this footage, so click on it and delete it. Click on the original timeline we were working on, and then select this footage that we want to add the warp to. Do a Command C to copy that footage. Go to the warped footage timeline, bring the timeline to the beginning, and then do a Command V to paste it in. Once that's done, let's go back to the original timeline and let's look at this footage over here in the nested clip. Press play. Now the clip is moving around, see that? It's taking the information from the other video that was handheld and putting it on this filmed footage. Now, if you want more movement in it, go over to the Warp Stabilizer, go to the smoothing option, and bring the smoothing option up. Let's bring it up to 100%. It's more emphasized now.